This is her. Oh my. What's up, you guys? It's Brianna. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I keep trying to say Chicago, y'all. If you're new here, I'm a Houston-based flight attendant for a major US airline. I make videos surrounding beauty, travel, lifestyle, all of those sorts of things. So if any of those topics interest you, be sure to consider subscribing. You should subscribe. As you all can tell by the title, I'm so excited, so grateful, and thankful to be bringing you all my new camera, okay? I figured it'd be best for me to show you all because y'all got me to this point. I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't be doing this unless it was for you all. I want better content, better quality for my channel, for you all. Thank you all for getting me to this point and motivating me to even, you know, want to keep doing what I do, okay? 3 years ago, literally, I started my channel. I bought my first DSLR camera 3 years ago. It was a Canon Rebel T7i, and I still love her down, okay? She's still that girl, but my lifestyle has also changed in those 3 years. I'm doing a lot more traveling, obviously, you know what I'm saying? She's just not travel friendly in my eyes. Of course, I'm gonna keep my Canon. I'm not gonna sell my Canon. We just needed something to go with our new lifestyle. Something more compact, something more travel friendly, something that's going to still give me the quality that I want. So here we are, my new camera in this box right here. I got it from Best Buy, and I also have boxes in the back that have some accessories for the camera that I got from Amazon. So we up in the quality, we up in the channel, we up and stuck, so tune in and turn up. Yo, I can't chill. So as you guys can see, the vlogging camera that I decided to go with is the one and the only SONY ZV-E10. So I didn't really choose from any options. I knew that I wanted this one. This is the one I was gonna go with right off the bat. Of course, there's this one right here. This is the SONY ZV-1. This is my sister's camera. She bought it first. She let me try it. I fell in love. I did more research and found out there's one that you can change the lenses with. Once again, I told you I'm a techie girl. I'm into the lenses, the lighting. So the ZV-E10 was top notch. And of course, there's one like this, but by Canon, because my T7i is Canon. If I wanted to stay with Canon, I would have went with the G7X. Mark 2, 3, whatever mark they're on. But I did like that the Sony's screen flips to the side so that the microphone isn't blocking it. You know, the Canon G7X flips at the top. That's what really wiped that one out for me. And then I didn't get the same one that my sister got because I wanted to change the lenses. So that got us here with the ZV-E10. And I told you I've been eyeing this thing for over a year. So that's that. Let me stop rambling. We gotta get into the camera first. So we'll get into the Amazon accessories later. But here are the rest of the Sony accessories that I got with the camera. I want to say it took exactly a week to get here. I ordered this towards the end of last week. So maybe a little less than a week. Here are the rest of the accessories. So it's a giveaway which color camera I got. I'm so excited, especially for this white, okay? With the camera, I got the, I want to say this is part of like their vlogger kit or whatever, but it's the wireless remote tripod. I've always wanted one. I've always wanted one, and she's finally here. All the It girls got it. I'm an It girl, so it only felt right. I went with white because I didn't want the traditional black. I already have a black camera, so I figured I'd go white this round. She looks the most sleekest to me. I love the chrome lens. It's so gorgeous. And then the last Sony thing that I got for the camera is a new lens. I figured I'd go all in, you know what I'm saying? I was getting the camera. Go ahead and get the tripod you want. Go ahead and get an additional lens so that you can have different things to try it with. This is the 11mm f1.8 interchangeable lens. I'm so excited to pop this thing on to see what different looks I can get. I did get the camera with the kit lens, so there is a lens on this camera already that comes with it. You can get just the base, without the lens, and then you can get the camera with the lens for additional $100 or something. So that is why I got this camera, because it's the most versatile. I can keep this camera, interchange the lens. Even on my Canon T7i, I can change the lens to get different looks. So I have basically all I need, you know? I'm talking, I'm rambling, I'm out of breath. Let's open the camera. Okay. Okay, it's the freaking wind muff. Cords. We have the Sony strap. This feels like a wall plug. This feels like a battery. Here she is. She's perfect. She's perfect. I love that it came wrapped up like this. Holy shit. Y'all see what I'm talking about with this chrome lens? This lens looks too good. Dead. So here's where I'll charge it. Here's also a place to plug in your microphone. Yeah, our little rabbit's foot. I'm gonna put this on a charger and then we'll get into the other accessories while it's charging up. So here's the tripod, and once again, this is the shooting grip with wireless remote commander. This is she. That's the tripod. Of course, we'll figure it out once the camera's charged and we get to actually using it. It also came with a dust bag so that it has a place to be stored, you know? She's a big world. This is a wide angle lens. I wanted something to give me the vlogger vibes, the surround vibes that I want, okay? When I'm doing all this traveling and stuff, I want you all to see everything that's around me. So I figured the wide angle lens would be my best bet for what I'm, you know, trying to capture in my head. This is the look that I've always been trying to get. Here's the lens to do it. When I tell you I went all out, I went all out. But we have the tripod, we have the lens, and we have the camera. I'm ready to get into these Amazon packages now though, because I got some good stuff. All right, I already opened the first box because I wanted to get the SD card out to use, you know, to film this. I got a new camera bag. Yeah, I got a new camera bag. My T7i has its own bag, so this one deserves her own bag, you know? I went with gray. I wanted to have something that was, you know, a different color. It has different compartments. It's very nice and compact. There's a strap in it, so you can use it as a crossbody. The inside, you can use this kind of thingy to divide however you wish to do so, but it is a lot of space. Side pockets, so I can store like the batteries. There's two sides actually, so I can also store the SD cards and, you know, lens covers or whatever else I want to store. And there's also one big front pocket. Y'all, like, what am I gonna do with all this space? There's also this zipper mesh pocket at the top. So cute. This is the brand. Next up, I told you all I got a new camera strap because it's not a black camera, so I didn't want a black strap. Like, come on. Or maybe I'm just extra, like, come on. This is by Art Tribute, and they had so many different colors, so many different patterns. You can even get like engravings or like your initials customized on it. Y'all, do y'all see this pattern? And it's kind of like a satin material. Yeah, just your regular camera strap, but I wanted it to be, of course, thick, sturdy, heavy, and something cute to go with the camera. So here's the pattern up close. Super cute, right? Super cute. Okay, to go with the wide angle lens, it does let in a lot of light, so when I am outside it can easily wash me out, and I still want to be able to film with this lens while I'm outside, of course. This is my first time hearing of an ND filter, so I learn something new every day. I love to learn and invest in new things to try. So here is the ND filter that's gonna go on the cover of this to kind of help with the lighting, and it is in 55mm. So this is the size specifically for the 11mm lens. I got the one that you can kind of adjust by turning. I don't even know if y'all can tell the difference. Can y'all tell that it's getting darker? Then as I'm turning this way, you can kind of see through it. It screws on like this. Of course, gonna insert the test shots. I'm gonna go outside with this thing and use the ND filter for you all so you can kind of see it live and in action. And also in the box, it came with 3 microfiber cleansing cloths. Yeah, next we have a case. I wanted to get a skin tight case for it. We need protection. I got a white one, of course, and kind of looking at it, it's kind of like a bone white, like an off-white. Here it is. Y'all can kind of see it on camera too, that it's an off-white, not an actually bright white, which I'm okay with. So I'm gonna put this on too when it charges. Okay, I also got a new tripod, of course, in white by Ulanzi. I wanted something, as you can see in this picture right here, that would, you know, kind of extend really tall, so I can kind of shoot more full body content. Here it is. Here we go. Yeah. And it's not even as tall as it goes. Yeah. So I'm so glad I got this. I'm just so excited to be shooting new and different content this year. This one also can be used for your phone, so you can pop it up like this and attach your phone. You turn this, you can turn it sideways. So happy right now. I'm so fulfilled. Unboxings are the best. Like, literally, it's like Christmas in the middle of March. We're going into the second box. Here's the second to last thing. Here's the batteries in here, but I also got a screen protector for the screen. I'm known for cracking screens, y'all. If y'all can't tell, y'all can't even tell on my phone though, because I just put the screen protector on it that I got in this Amazon package. That's also why I opened the box. I literally ordered the screen protector, didn't have one on my phone, and the day before it came in, I cracked my screen. The actual screen cracked the day before my screen protector came in. Like, can it be more unbelievable? Like, are you serious? Don't get me started again. So it's just little screen protectors for the actual camera screen itself. I want to say it would fit on this one too. Yeah, so since I have 3, I'll give one to my sister. Last but not least, we have the camera batteries, and we're gonna cut that baby on over there. So this brand is by Artman, and I like this brand. I have the same brand of batteries for my Canon T7i. It comes with 3 extra batteries, and when it is charging, you can kind of see the battery percentage pop up here, then the cord right here. So I'm gonna set it up and show you all. And I heard that the camera battery lasts longer on the ZV-E10, but also visually seeing that they're bigger, like, she better last at least twice as long. The moment of truth. I'm gonna close everything up. Let's see if this baby turns on. Italiano, Espanol. We're going English. I'm going to set the date and the time. Y'all. Here she is with the case and with the screen protector on. You literally can't even tell there's anything there, and I love that. It's so sleek, so slim. So I'm gonna see if I can connect this to the tripod really quick, and I'm gonna come back on this camera. So 3, 2, 1. Guys, we're here on the freaking Sony ZV-E10, baby. We're here. All right, so I already love this camera for the fact that it's showing the percentage quality, which I think I love that it has like the skin touch. It just adds an extra little mwah to the video. Not that I need it, not that I really want it, but it makes a difference, and I love it a lot. I love the remote. It didn't take much to set it up. I looked it up on YouTube. It was literally a 30-second video. You make sure that the Bluetooth is available. You turn that on. Then you turn on the Bluetooth remote control feature. Turn that on. When it gives you the, you know, the page to pair, you hold down the photo button and the T button for 7 seconds, and it, you know, pops up the option to connect. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Literally took me 15 seconds top. Y'all see this quality? I'm so excited to film whatever the heck I'm gonna film. The focus immediately. Let's switch the lenses and see what this 11mm is talking about. Yo, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is what I meant by wide angle. You can see the whole room. Too good to be true. Too good. Too good. I'm gonna go outside and try to shoot. The sun is out, so we're gonna see if our ND filter will be needed. We'll see if it's not needed. I'm gonna go downstairs and show my daddy because he's just excited as I am. I'm gonna show him the camera really quick, and I'll pull it back up when we're outside. All right, you guys, we are outside in the beautiful neighborhood, not yet in the sun, and this is how we're looking. It looks so good, so clear, so crisp. This is without the wide angle lens, without the ND filter. That's what we're supposed to be out here trying. Let me switch it up, set it up. Here we are without the ND filter. Here is this. You see how I was toning it down, making me more mellow, making me more my skin tone. I like it here a lot. So yeah, you guys, here we are wrapping up the video on our new camera, the Sony ZV-E10. We have the kit lens on. It is the 16 to 50mm. I think it's perfect. If you are just looking for the kit lens, I think it's fine for now. I wanted to show y'all how zoomed in it goes. Like, do I got a booger? That's how zoomed in it goes. So yeah, I feel like if you're still trying to get range, that this kit lens is okay with me. I love that I got the 11mm lens because once again, I'm trying to give perspective and just change the look of my videos and my content from this point forward. I love the tripod. I love the efficiency of, you know, just having the buttons in hand. I love the features that the camera comes with. Once again, with the battery percentage, like game changer. The red box around the screen, game changer. Like, we'll never forget to press record ever again. Like, ever again. I love that I got the white one. Once again, just nice, crisp, clean, airy. It's just giving. I'm sorry. It's too cute. I don't even know how to describe it. I want it to come in fresh and new. As you all see, I got a new intro, period. Let me know how y'all like it, okay? I told you all that I'm a techie girl. I love me some tech. I love the newest and the truest, okay? I love the good stuff, but I hope that I still was helpful in some way. I hope this video was still satisfying in some way to those who wanted to experience the unboxing with me. That's the best part. Hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I can't wait to see y'all in my next video, and I'll see you later. Bye.